My dear student, I give you congratulations to the channel Math Key. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to discuss you the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, as a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the coefficient of a to the power 0. Today I want to explain what is quadratic equation and how can we solve this type of equation by factorization. Now, in the first chapter of 1.1, which of the following polynomials is a quadratic polynomial? Now, in 1, question number 1, x square minus 7x plus 2. Polynomial quadratic equation, we also compare it just ax square plus bx plus c. Now, it is a quadratic polynomial. Similarly, in the second, as 7x to the power 5 minus x into x plus 2. It is not a quadratic polynomial because power of x is 5, so it is not a quadratic polynomial. Now in the question number 3, 2x into x plus 5 plus 1. We also 2x square plus 5 to the 10x plus 1. It is a quadratic polynomial because the power of x is 2. Am I clear, my dear student? Now, in the question number 4, 2x minus 1. It is not also a quadratic polynomial. Now, we can go in the second question. Which of the following equations can be written in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Let us write it in 2, 1. X minus 1 plus 1 by x is equal to 6, as x is not equal to 0. Now we can do x is the LCM. Now x square minus x plus 1 is equal to 6, means 6 by 1. X square minus x plus 1 is equal to 6x, or x square minus x minus 6x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now x square minus 7x plus 1 is equal to 0. My dear student, see it very sincerely. X square minus 7x plus 1, it is also a quadratic polynomial equation. Like this, coefficient of x square is 1, coefficient of x is minus 7, and coefficient of x to the power 0 is 1. Just this. C is the real or natural numbers. Now we can do in the second. X plus 3 by x is equal to x square, or x square plus 3 by x is equal to x square by 1, or x square plus 3 is equal to x cube by cross multiplication. This is equal to this is equal to this. But x cube, as it is not a quadratic polynomial, equation. Am I clear? In the second time, it is not a quadratic polynomial equation. In the third question, now x square minus 6 root x plus 2 is equal to 0, or x square minus 6 x to the power half plus 2 is equal to 0. It is not a quadratic polynomial equation, just like ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, because power of x is half. So it is not a polynomial equation. In the number of 4 is also x minus 2 whole square is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4. X square minus 4x plus 4. My dear student, seriously you see here that x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4. It is not also a quadratic polynomial, because this and this. Mane here 0. Now in the third question, we also do such that in the number of third, we also let us determine the power of the variable in which the equation x to the power 6 minus x cube minus 2 is equal to 0 will become a quadratic equation. Let us determine the power of the variable. Here x to the power 6 minus x cube minus 2 is equal to 0. My dear student, you see x cube square minus x cube minus 2 is equal to 0. We also compare this in ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, so that x to the power cube is the power of the variable. Am I clear? My dear student, x cube square is x cube minus 2. So it is also compare this, because x cube is so p, then p square minus x cube means p minus 2 is equal to 0. It is also with respect to p is a quadratic equation. So x cube is the power of the variable. Now in the question 4th one, let us determine the value of a for which the quadratic equation this will be a quadratic equation or not be a quadratic equation. Means a minus 2 x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. This will not be quadratic equation whenever a minus 2 is equal to 0 or a is equal to 2. As 2 is the value of a, then this will be key 2 is minus 2 into x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now this is also 0, or 0 into x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0, as coefficient of x square is equal to 0, so it will be not a quadratic equation. Am I clear? Then next, if for 2 if x by if x by x minus 4, x by x minus 4 is equal to 1 by 3x, whenever x not equal to 0 and x is not equal to 4, be expressed in the form of x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Let us determine the coefficient of x. Now we'll also cross multiply by x into 3x is equal to x minus 4 into 1, or 3x square is equal to x minus 4, or 3x square minus x plus 4 is equal to 0. The coefficient of x is equal to minus 1. My dear student, in the second question of 4, each coefficient of x will be minus 1. Now in the third question, you can see, let us express 3x square plus 7x plus 23, 3x square plus 7x plus 23 is equal to x plus 4 into x plus 3 plus 2. Am I clear? In the form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. Now we also multiply this x into x plus 3 and plus 4 into x plus 3 plus 2 is equal to x square plus 3x plus 4x plus 12 plus 2 is equal to x square 3x 4x plus 7x plus 12 and 2 is equal to 14. Now 3x square minus x square plus 7x minus 7x plus 23 minus 14 is equal to 0. 7x minus 7x cross, then 2x square, এবার not chapter 9 এটাকে 2 plus 9 is equal to 0. This is the equation, quadratic equation. My dear student, we also go in the next problem. As let us express the equation x plus 2 whole cube, x plus 2 whole cube, x plus 2 whole cube is equal to x into x square minus 1 in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Write the coefficients of x square, x and x0. See my student, or a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube as a plus b whole cube. We also explain it in the formula is equal to xl cube minus x, or xl cube and xl cube also cross. Now 3x square plus 12 means 12x plus 8 plus x is equal to 0, as it also come from right to left, or 3x square 12x or x means 13x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now the coefficient of x square is equal to 3, x is equal to 13 and x0 is equal to 8. My dear student, you see it is very simple. Coefficient of x square is equal to 3, coefficient of x is equal to 13 and coefficient of x0 is equal to 8. Because something to the power 0, x0 means 1. Now we also go in the next question. Five. Let us construct the quadratic equation in one variable from the following statements. Divide 42. 5-1. Divide 42 into two parts such that one part is equal to the square of the other part. Let one part is x, then other part will be x square equal to the square of the other part. Now by the problem, x plus x square is equal to 42 or x square plus x minus 42 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. This will be the quadratic equation. The product of two consecutive positive odd numbers is 143. Let one consecutive number is, say, 2x minus 1. Then the other number is 2x plus 1. So by the problem, the product of two consecutive numbers, that means 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 143 or 2x into 2x plus 1 and minus 1 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 143 or 2 2s are 4x square plus 2x minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 143 or 4x square plus 2x minus 2x minus 1 minus 143 is equal to 0 or 4x square minus 144 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. And third of all, the sum of two square of two consecutive numbers is 313. Now let one number, then one number, say x. Now other number will be x plus 1. By the problem we get sum of two squares of two consecutive numbers. X square plus x plus 1 square is equal to 313 or x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 313 or 2x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 313 is equal to 0 or 2x square plus 2x minus 312 is equal to 0 or x square 2 is also common from this. Then we get x square plus x minus 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12 is equal to 0 or x square plus x minus 156 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. My dear student, I want to discuss you all the questions of class 10 from part 1 chapter, and similarly I also want to explain all the chapters from A to Z for you. Kindly you see my videos and also seriously note from A to Z, and today is this enough. Next day I also come with you in the next part of the chapter. Thank you.